Hello friends, I am Dr. Satish Chandra Mishra. I am the Principal Director of Cardiology at Venkateshwar Hospital, Dwarka, New Delhi. Today I am very excited to introduce to you a very advanced and state-of-art equipment in the form of a Bi-Plane Cath Lab that we have in our hospital functional for about a year now. Most important thing which I want to introduce to you is between the single plane cath lab and biplane cath lab, what is the difference? This is the main question which comes to mind. Biplane cath lab is an advancement over single plane cath lab. Although it utilizes much more space than a single plane cath lab, but in a short span of time with a small amount of contrast material, you can acquire 3D images with an exceptional amount of clarity. And that too in two different planes, and that's the biggest advantage a biplane cath lab can give us. It is one modality which is highly useful and utilized extensively in cases of neurovascular diseases, the EP system studies, and sometimes in a lot of congenital cardiology problems. As you can see here, there are two C-arms, one which is hanging right from the roof and the other which is placed down here. And with this, we have two-directional, two-axis acquisition of the images which the detectors tend to pick up, and the clarity which you get is wonderful, exceptional, and in a very, very short time. So as I said earlier, the Bi-Plane Cath Lab affords you an advantage in terms of saving the contrast material, and it can take images in two axes with quite a significant and amazing quality of clarity. Now if you take a look at this image here, it's an image of a neurovascular case where simultaneously the images have been acquired in the lateral view and also in the anterior-posterior view. So both the views in two different axes acquired during the same imaging process with the same amount of contrast material saves you on time. It saves you on money in terms of reduced quantity of material used in a patient, and the patient is saved from the exposure to a potentially harmful contrast material which can be reduced in quantity when you use a biplane cath lab. So the advantage therefore is that in a short span of time, better quality of images, and in two-directional, two-axis images with a better clarity. So gentlemen, this is the advantage of a biplane cath lab over a single plane cath lab.